Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm your clever money girl and today I'll show you how to earn $10,000 just by using the simple affiliate marketing technique. Use this affiliate marketing technique to earn up to $10,000 each month. Even if you're a complete beginner who has never earned a penny online, I'll cover a website in this tutorial that you've never heard of before that allows you to earn a ton of money online and that pays people from all over the world. I'll also walk you through the entire process from beginning to the end and step by step so you know exactly what you need to do. Let's get started with this tutorial. As you may have heard today, I have an affiliate marketing strategy to share with you. The first website that you should visit today is a VPN. If you've never heard of one before, allow me to explain. Virtual private networks, also known as VPNs, have grown popularity over the years because they essentially make it possible for users to be safe from online hackers. They do this by encrypting your connection, but you don't need to know the specifics. All that matters is you are aware that VPNs can help you stay safe online. The VPN I'll use as an example is this one right here called TunnelBear.com. But as I already mentioned, you can actually use any VPN of your choosing. If you think one is better than the other, use that one. You can even conduct online research to find the best VPNs, but that is in no way required. What I need you guys to do now is first read a little bit on this website you went to. Just invest like 5 minutes or something to do some research so you know about all the awesome features that the site has to offer. And then what you want to do now is access the affiliate page of the website. On most websites, this can be done by scrolling to the bottom of the page and looking for terms like referral program, affiliates, or affiliate program. In my case, as you can see, it says affiliate here. So I'd obviously want to click on that to be sent to the affiliate page. After that, let me address a question that most, if not all, of you will be asking. Why would you want to visit a VPN website of all websites? What makes VPN so unique in the current internet landscape where almost every website has an affiliate program? One of the main reasons you should promote a VPN website is that they are becoming increasingly popular, since virtually everyone online benefits from a VPN rather than just a small group of people. As in this case, when you're promoting something else, you will have an almost infinite number of customers as an affiliate. And obviously, the more people who may benefit from a website you're promoting, the more traffic it will receive. Another crucial point is that, due to the nature of this platform, it is simpler to persuade people to sign up for a VPN service than another website. Since no one wants to be hacked, this makes it so much simpler to convince people to pay for the service, which enable you to earn money. Since VPNs offer online security, people will want to use them in the long run. Because of this, you can actually get money from just one person you suggest to the platform for months to come, which means you don't need to refer that many people to genuinely make a lot of money. Last but not the least, this feature is unique to TunnelBear and a selected few other websites, and it's the fact that they provide a free pricing plan, as you can see. As you can imagine, this makes it even easier to get people to start using the platform because they can now test it to see if it works or not. And once they see that it does, they'll want to pay for it, making you money in the process. Are you still with me? If you do, that's awesome. If you want to improve your financial outlook, don't forget to subscribe to your Clever Money Girl. I post videos daily to help you get financially smart, and while you're at it, don't forget to click the like button and the bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. As you've heard guys, there are a ton of advantages to promoting a VPN website. In general, it's much easier to convince people to pay for a VPN than it is for another website. As a result, whether you choose TunnelBear or another provider, you can earn a lot of money. To do this on TunnelBear, all I want you to do is click on Become an Affiliate Bear right here. They'll want me to provide a lot of personal information in these boxes on the following page. But first, I have to select my country of origin. At this point, I should point out that this application is accepted from all around the world. Anyhow, to sign up for the affiliate program, you simply need to enter your email address and password, which you must then retype for confirmation. To complete the process, just complete the CAPTCHA and then click on the verify email to create your account. From there, you'll want to visit your Gmail account as soon as possible to confirm your email. And that's it. Traffic is the final piece of the puzzle that is still missing, and I have a very special one for you. I guarantee that at first, it seems confusing. Everything will make sense in the end. You should start by visiting a website that features several scam articles, or more specifically, articles that discuss specific victims of scams. Well, there are tons of websites like that to choose from. I particularly prefer this one called ScamWatch. You'll be able to locate literally hundreds of stories on the site that discuss how different people have been scammed, and you'll never know how useful they'll be to you. You should now skim through them quickly to choose the one you like the best. And then you should create a YouTube video where you discuss the specific story you just read, citing the article as your source of information. And while it may surprise you, gaining views on YouTube as a newbie is by no means easy. Recording a video about a scam story like this can actually garner quite a few views. The majority of you will struggle with making the video right now, but the majority of videos you see on television these days don't feature the owner's face. So all you need to do is record a quick voiceover using the earlier article as the source, then simply add royalty-free stock footage from websites like storyblocks.com or pexels.com. Combine the two, and there you have it. You have your video. The VPN you are promoting as an affiliate should be mentioned in that video in addition to discussing the actual incident. Since the video is about scams, you can say something along the lines of, if you don't want to get scammed online, be sure to check out our VPN, which is the first link in the description. And a lot of people will actually want to check out what you are promoting. The best part of this is, you won't need many views to earn a lot of money, as I previously stated. Just a few users of TunnelBear for a year, so you would generate a huge amount of income for you. This has enormous potential if your video receives more views, which though unlikely is still possible. The point is that as soon as your video is up, you'll be able to earn passive revenue with ease regardless of your experience and skills. What do you think about this tutorial? Please share them in the comment section below. And also, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel so you can see all of the videos that we will be releasing in the coming days, weeks, and months. And that's it for this video. If you learned anything new, please leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and get financially smart with your clever money girl. See ya!